What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here is the mini tripod for the Osmo Action, Osmo Pocket or GoPro. So here is my Osmo Action, and here is the tripod. Okay, you get, let me screw this thing as you can see. Okay, and then here we go. The good thing is that you can make it like big for vlogging. Okay, come on, or you can make a stand. Wow, I mean, isn't this awesome? So I mean, I really like this one, to be honest with you. You can buy from Amazon, but this is really very good. I mean, I wish it become longer, but it's like very short. But still, Osmo Action is already wide angle, so there won't be a problem. What do you think about it? To me, it seems quite good. I mean, I can easily recommend it. Yeah, I think so. I can easily recommend this thing. What about you? I think I like it, to be honest with you, really. Yeah. Okay, let me unscrew. So how long it take to unscrew? Okay, here we go. That's simple. Subscribe and bye.